Hey my dudes, it's me Niv and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very quick eyeliner tutorial. I'm so sorry this week's video is going to be like a lot shorter than what I normally upload, and that's because I'm currently going to be working, for like the whole week. It's Monday, so I'm pre-recording this and I will not have any time to sit down and record a video. And since today is Easter Monday, it's a holiday, so I have time. I'm not at work. But the rest of the week I'm going to be really busy and I won't have enough time to sit down and record a video for you guys. So today I wanted to do a eyeliner tutorial. I want to do a mini series of different tutorials for you guys. I know I did a video about eyeliner already in my channel, and that was quite a few months ago, and I've definitely changed my eyeliner tactics. So the little tip that I'm talking about is using, I don't know what tape this is, I think it's washi tape. This helps out so well. You just need a little piece of this and you can line it up with the bottom line, your waterline, the eye. You line it up and then you draw your wing. The types of eyeliner that I use, just quickly, so I use a liquid eyeliner for the wing, and I use a felt tip liner, that's what it's called, for the rest of it, getting to the inner corner and meeting up for the middle, and then this for the rest of the eye, for the middle to the wing. Okay, so I've got my big mirror, and yes, that's my dog, by the way. She's sleeping on my bed. I've taken a piece of the washi tape and lined it against my eye, and now I'm going to take my eyeliner and just simply draw along the line of the washi tape like that. And the trick is to get really close and personal with the mirror just to make sure you're getting it. So sorry if you can't hear me and it's a bit muffled, but you really want to get underneath like that and look down, and then sort of adjust it so you look straight ahead as well. So keep moving your mirror. You just want to go from the middle of your eye. I always go from the middle, and you want to go straight down to the washi tape. So I've gone from the middle and now connecting it like so. And the tip is to not use so much on your brush. Use it almost dry with bare minimum product like that. And now I'm going to get the other eyeliner and I'll come back and the eye will be done. There we go. And that is a damn good wing. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll come back once I'm done. Right, so my eyeliner is done and it actually matches. This wing may be a little bit lower than this wing, but it's still pretty accurate. I've opted for a baby wing today. These are just basic tips that you can do to improve the way you do your eyeliner. Yeah, I think that is everything I covered in this tutorial. These guys are so handy. I think that is everything I covered. Hopefully I explained everything well in this video. Once again, so sorry that this week's video is kind of short. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. Don't forget to leave a like if you like this sort of video, these quick little tutorials. Comment down below on any videos you want to see next, or any little mini tutorials you want to see next, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it means a lot to me. And also that little bell icon to let you guys know when I post. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video, whatever that will be. Bye guys.